Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Hello! Oh my god, ang weird mag-intro ulit. So, basically, as you can see from the title, this video is going to be about my Adulting 101 with Eliza. By this time, actually, I was 18 already. Actually, do you remember yung last upload ko, yung about sa outreach sa school, sa org namin? Yung video na to, before pa nun. I wouldn't consider it my busiest time of the year, last year. Hindi naman. Pero, talagang sobrang dami ko lang talagang need na gawin this time. Tapos, I decided to vlog. I was packing orders, I was getting groceries for the bahay. And yun. And I'm so sorry, sobrang inadequate na information na linet out ko sa internet about my personal life na. Not because ayoko na siyang gawin. Hindi naman because ayoko na mag-vlog. Hindi naman because ayoko na mag-film. It's just sobrang, naiiyak ako. So, basically, today is May 24. This video was captured on the days, mga beginning ng December. Mga December 1 or November, last days of work. Yan. Hindi ko talaga, I can't really put myself into the position to vlog anymore. Kasi, actually, I hate talking about this, especially on camera. Pero my sole purpose on vlogging kasi is to document my life. And what good use of my YouTube channel kundi i-document na lang din yung life ko. And I just wanna say na everything's just been so hard for me. Like, personally, sa personal problems ko lang. I'm not struggling naman to socialize. That's the last thing that I will struggle with sa buhay ko. But yun, sobrang dami kasi patong-patong na pressure. And I don't wanna blame anyone but myself. Look, I don't know what I don't know even the purpose why I'm doing this intro. It's just, I just want to document how I am at this time of age. I'm really, really not okay. But here's a video. Mga okay ba ako? Yeah, I hope you enjoy. I love you.
Congrats. As hard and fast as you can. Am I doing it? Here's all my... Where can we go? Wow!
Guys, so just a little haul of what I got. I got pork. I got ground chicken. I was about to get pork, pero sabi ko, let's change it up a bit. Kasi, actually, puro kami manok. Anyway, basta chicken. Tapos, chicken ulit, but tinola pa. Oh my god. And then, chicken ulit, pero breast. Different kinds of chicken. And then I got flour, white, it's not white, light brown sugar, butter, and food coloring. Hopefully, matching na ang totoong red velvet dahil mukha siyang pink day yung unang batch ko. Pero binili naman, so go. Then next is corn, mushroom, corned beef, onions. Pinili ko na to kasi, for tonight and tomorrow naman siya gagamitin. Hindi ako bumili nung isang damakmak kasi iba ang bibili nun. Sila Aliana. Not me. And then, carrots na pre-cut na. Sorry. Culinary student, pero ganito yung mga binibili. Tama. Pero, bakit ba? And then, garbanzo beans or chickpeas. And then spring roll wrappers. I'm gonna make Shanghai with these. Pero I'm gonna put chickpeas para dumami yung filling. Anyways, yeah, I will
ano na this. Ligpit-ligpit din na. So, I'll see you kapag gusto ko nang makita kayo. Hi guys, time check. So, it is about to be 9. Like, mamaya-maya. But I'm still baking. As you can see here. Yo, someone just ordered 40 pieces. Kaya to guys. I seriously need an oven. And yo, I'm about to have the biggest sale. Alam ko na, like this December, like I just know there's so many people like gonna order that I'm mentally preparing myself. Mamaya na yung physical, like mentally muna. Because yo, I have to pack 40 pieces of chocolate chip s'mores cookies. I didn't expect that big of an order considering I'm just a small business and I'm just starting. Yo, I don't even have a business permit yet. That's for another discussion. So if you guys can remember, back in senior high, I did a senior high night routine. This is basically like a college version, except this is mainly on adulting. Because all I did today was buy groceries, buy medicine, and do my business. Need to drink this pala. I've gotten so fat, I don't know how to explain that. Kasi I haven't been eating like regular. I don't know why it's swelling so much, like my face. Maybe it's because my period is about to... When is my period? TMI, sorry. Okay, it's spilled. I need to... It's funny how I will label this video adulting, yet I'm taking cough syrup. But don't worry, this is indeed for adults. I'm not a chicken. I actually wanted the pill or capsule thingy, but sabi nila mas effective yung ganyan, edi na lang, diba? So, we're still a good thing. So, if you guys don't know, the paper that I'm using as a label for the orders is actually recycled paper. Like, these are the papers that I have printed on before, and I said I didn't want them to go to waste or just be stuck upstairs. So, I'm using them as labels for the orders because I don't like wasting. So, yeah, I'm just gonna write down all the orders and I'm gonna confirm them here in my laptop. I'm gonna message those persons, if you know what I mean. I'm actually so short on dough. I need to make more cookies tomorrow, and I need to do that like immediately after I wake up because there isn't time. Thankfully, my schedule for tomorrow is only at 2 p.m. But that I'm not so sure of because sometimes my customers like to take their orders at morning. And so there are some times where I go to school earlier than my subject time just to deliver to my customers. But that's up to me naman kasi. Like, ako naman yung nagpapaano kasi. Kasalanan ko. Pero right now, I don't want to be too hard on myself since nagbo-boom talaga yung business ko and hindi naman pwedeng ako yung napeperwisyo like always. So I need them to adjust, not me. So, kasi na-affectan din yung personal schedule ko. So it doesn't work that way. I'm still a student in first year, mind you. So yeah, I'm just gonna write down the orders. Wait, I'm just gonna cut. I have so many orders pending. And I know there's gonna be a lot of orders in the future, like based on how well the customers are enjoying the cookies and the products. I don't think I'll release new things during the holidays kasi it will be too much of a task for me since the holidays are approaching and we are gonna be leaving for Sanchez ulit. Uuwi ata kami. So there's that. I have to pack for Cagayan and then there is so many events at school and I need to accommodate all of that. I need to fit all of it in my schedule. So I try not to be hard on myself. Anyways, I'm gonna write down. So I already wrote up like almost all the orders except I have like an order for I actually like did an ad for my cookies on Facebook, but I didn't expect it to like it reached like Manila and Las Piñas and like from other places. It's too bad that I don't get to accommodate them all because of the distance and because of the fact that they are the ones who will shoulder the delivery fee. And they were also disappointed, or like they really wanted to buy like the cookies, but unfortunately they're too far away. But yeah, I have a 40 pieces of chocolate chip to be delivered tomorrow at exactly 12 p.m. So I'm just gonna book I guess the Grab a little earlier, like an hour before, because I don't know the commute to go to Las Piñas or like how much traveling time the motorcycle is gonna need. So I'm just gonna book it a little earlier, like an hour before, because I don't want to disappoint the customer. So that order is for 40 pieces. I looked at her chat earlier. Akala ko 4 pieces, but before I said 200 pesos yung minimum order ng long distance, especially kasi ayoko silang nalulugi. Like sinadya ko talaga ng 200 pesos yung minimum because yung delivery fee pag ganung distances is about more than 100 pesos. So gusto ko talagang masusulit nila. Like mag-order ka 4 lang tapos yung delivery fee mo is 100 plus pesos. Girl. I need to pack all of these now, but I still need to check on the end. And I'm still baking like more matcha cookies to accommodate the orders. But I've already baked like one batch of chocolate chip and one batch of black s'mores. But tomorrow I'm gonna make some more because I know sa school, hindi enough yung mga nag-order. Meron kasi yung mga bibili na lang on the spot. Like, hinahanapan ako ng cookies. Ang bala ko talaga is lahat pre-order. Like, this college, this time around. Kasi I've experienced before, like, senior high. Like, ang dami nagde-demand ng on-site. Pero gets ko sila because we are just within, like, the school is small. Pero pag kasi sa college, like, ang laki-laki ng lyceum, girl, I can't be seen, like, passing around sachets of cookies, you know. It frankly, it looks like a drug transaction. Like, may abot ako ng sachet, tapos bibili ng 20, diba? So, yeah. Kaya, strictly pre-orders na lang pagbalik ko from vacay, but for now, pinagbibigyan ko lang because that's my way of gaining customers and gaining loyal customers in general, and I don't want to break that connection for now. Like, next time I'm gonna be more firmer and be tighter with my schedule because I am gonna be so busy when the time comes that I will essentially manage more on school. Kasi ngayon, kasi hindi ako, laylo lang ako sa klase. Hindi ako nag-lead sa klase. If you know what I mean? Like, hindi ako masyadong bida-bida sa klase when it comes to groupings. So, I let them handle the stuff because alam ko sa sarili ko na hindi ko kakayanin. Kapag ngayon ako nagpabida-bida, i-expect talaga akong tao na, o siya ulit ganito. No. Like, I've learned my lesson from before. You know, and I'm thankful kasi before kasi, my friends, sila talaga, leaders talaga kami lahat. Like, sa grupo. Like, hindi naman sa lahat, pero most of us, like the majority of like sa friend group ko ng senior high school is indeed like such smart people, and like parang lagi ko silang kasama sa groupings kasi. So yun, nasalba ako ng mga yun. Eh ngayon wala sila. College na to dahil. Okay, I need to pack stuff, but I need to get the cookies. Now for the packing, I usually do 2 of these pag madaming in order. For example, 5 pieces. Pag tatlo, isa lang. Pero pag 5 na, since mas mabigat na yun, dito-double ko na. Kasi baka mamaya ma-deform or like hindi siya ma-withstand ng iisang ano lang. Paper bag. I usually use a fan since hindi naman ako nag-gloves. Wait, let me check on the cookies. As per dun sa red velvet and our matcha, kapag mainit pa sila, pag they're straight out of the oven, dun ko sila dalagdagan ng white chocolate chip. Kasi pag dinirect ko na itopping agad yung mga white chocolate chip, masusunod sila sa baking time during the baking process. And then brown sila, so it doesn't look white chocolate. Diba? So, ano order natin for today? Limang red velvet. Medyo ang bibigat kaya ng cookies na to. Like, it doesn't look heavy. But because cookies are dense, sort of dense, yeah, they're dense. Can you believe na it's 40 grams per cookie? Tinatry ko talaga isakto yun, pero minsan sumusobra. Sorry na. And the way that I pack it, it's like this. And then usually stapler na lang na isa. But since wala tayong staple wires, guys, ganito ang ginagawa. Para sealed siya dito and then dito din. So they won't have the hassle to tanggal the staple wire. Tapos for the name, tatape ko lang siya dito. Limang red velvet. Like this, like that. So I'm just gonna repeat that process until matapos ko lahat ng orders. Eh, ang dami pa naman, day. Matcha. Ito, she ordered like assorted, like lahat ng flavors. And then red velvet, 1 chocolate chip s'more, and then 1 black s'more. Like, I really want to make Cookie Cloud Occidental. It's like a real brand. As per dun sa reason behind it, feel ko never ko i-reveal. Like where it started talaga, like why there is Cookie Cloud. Kasi ayoko i-reveal. It's, to me, the reason is very sacred kasi hindi naman siya like totally pangalan nito. It's not that important for like many people if alam niyo yung dahilan. But for me, it's like it's basta sobrang importante niya up until now. Siguro kahit mag-boom na tong business ko, like meron ng physical store, I'll never reveal. Siguro when ewan ko ba, basta ganun. Okay, so these are the orders that I've packed so far. Di pa yan kompleto. Like, madami pa. But I need to sleep. And what I do around this time is usually walis or do the dishes. And around this time, I want to just walis. Because I cannot comprehend the amount of dishes that I need to clean. So, bukas na yun because magising naman ako maaga. Hopefully, because I have delivery around... Actually, pick up sa order niya is around 7 AM. So, yeah. I'm gonna leave the packaging stuff here kasi kakailanganin yan bukas. And also, I don't think I'll be baking like... hindi. I think I'm still gonna be prepping tomorrow because for another batch sa Food Fest. Kasi I think meron pa rin bibili sa akin kahit na Food Fest naman. Pero I don't know, we'll see. Basta bobonggahan ko na mag-bake because hindi ko talaga in-expect na ganito kadami yung ano niya. So I'm just gonna walis for a bit. Wait.
bumalik.
Mm.
No?
Kain! Kain na ako. Ano ba to? Ano ba? Kumain ka na?
Ito natin dyan. Mamaya natin dyan.
Not forget the references. That's what I'm always looking for now. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God, did I not give it? I'm sorry.
Ay, dito ako bumili ng ano nun, be. Ng stickers.
Gusto ko nito. Yes.
Kasi hindi ka safe sa akin, so.
Tara na.
Magkano ba? Gusto ko ng capybara. Kaso ang dami ko ng ano, be.
Ote, kolon na lang. Mag-iano ka dyan eh.
Hi, guys.
Wow. Sobrang hirap ng sitwasyon ko ngayon to the point na I can't even control myself anymore. Hindi na siya like wala na akong pasabi. Like bigla na lang if I lash out, I lash out. And I find it so hard to be happy kahit na lately ang dami ko naman din nagagawa. Dami ko na-accomplish. It's so hard for me to appreciate myself again. Ayoko nang sabihin yung dahilan talaga kasi that will put someone into such bad light and ayoko mangyari yun. I don't want to blame anyone. And even though I love how things are in school or I love how I have so many friends, something's still pushing me to stop everything. Like give up everything. And that's been taking a toll on me mentally and physically. Mind you, sobrang dami ko ng gamot. Like, this bag, like, full na siya ng gamot. I have may melatonin here, mga vitamins and stuff, sleeping pills din, mga emergency Neosep or ano, kasi sobrang sakitin ko na dahil. Tapos parang pag-give up na yung body ko dahil sa, I don't know, depression. Sobrang ayoko sabihin na this is my lowest point in life kasi I know na may mas malala pa sa sitwasyon ko. I even have my vape here ready. Charis. Ito, nandito lang to kasi para ready. I've been having anxiety attacks like a lot na. And sometimes I can't even control it. Even in school, minsan ang tagal ko magbanyo or kung saan na lang ako naglalakad just to calm myself down, shaking my hands. May this be a reminder na even people who are mature and seem that they can handle things, it's not always the whole picture. Tapos ang hirap i-open to anyone. Ang hirap. Sobrang hirap. Tapos ang dami pang sumasabay na ibang issues and stuff. I'm not even sure if this is going to be public. Itong video na to, I think I'm just gonna upload it and hindi na lang siya ipa-public. I just find it so hard lately to keep going, but I still am here. But mostly it feels like I'm just existing, not living. I don't know what kind of depression this is. I seem to have everything under control, but I really do not. One of my problems also is a lot of people have been noticing the big change in me. Sinasabing pumayat ako and stuff. Although hindi nga halata sa mukha ko na pumayat ako. But my body says otherwise. Lahat ng fans ko tayo kamo na nahuhulog na. Hindi na sila, they aren't as fit as before. They're all loose. Although for me that's a good thing kasi I've been trying to lose weight. But I fear that me losing weight this time is so unhealthy. And my hair also. Sobrang grabe ko na mag-hair fall. Look, I don't know I don't know even the purpose why I'm doing this intro. It's just, I just want to document how I am at this time of age.